Hi everybody, this is Yuvraj, working as an assistant professor in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science in the Department of Commerce DM, that is in Digital Marketing and Data Mining. Now today we are going to see about the topic of banking. See what does mean banking. First of all we are going to see about the introduction to banking. So introduction to banking, it is nothing but, so what is banking? Do you know what is banking? So banking is the business of accepting deposit and lending money. Bank acts as financial intermediaries, facilitating the flow of money in the economy. So in the economic level, banking is a must. So they offer service like savings, accounts, loans, and credit. So savings we need accounts, loans we need. So credit cards, theoretically supporting personal and business finance. Security support personal business finance. So next we are going to see about structures. So what is the banking structure in India? In India especially, what are the structures we have for the banking? So under that, the first one is an RBS. The RBS is nothing but it is a Reserve Bank of India. So central bank regulates all banks. So Reserve Bank of India. So the second one is commercial banks. Commercial banks is a public, private, and foreign banks. So it isn't money lending. It isn't public, private, and foreign. Then third is cooperative banks. So serve local communities. Serve local communities is a foreign bank. So corporate banks. And then the fourth one is regional rural banks. Regional rural banks is focused on rural areas. Only it's focused on the rural areas. Then the fifth one is specialized bank. The specialized bank is small finance and payment banks. Small finance and payment banks is a specialized bank. So we have see the 5 points in the banking. The next we are going to see about the history of Indian banking. Especially in India, what is the history of banking? We are going to see. In 1770, Bank of Hindustan established. The Bank of Hindustan is the first established in India in the year of 1770. And Imperial Bank of Indian Formed. Imperial Bank of Indian Formed was introduced in 1921. So it was 1921. And the third is RBI, nationalized. It is an Indian Reserve Bank of India in 1949, when which was we getting independent in 1949. This was just an Indian RBI. Then fourth place is Major Bank Nationalization. Major Bank Nationalization in the year of 1969 and 1980. Between those is a Major Bank nationalized. And economic reforms under the fifth one is economic reforms. Private banks allowed in 1991. So before the 1991 it was written. And sixth one is digitalization and fintech growth. Digitalization and fintech growth. That is in 2000 onwards. It was started in 2000 onwards. So totally 6 banks we have seen the history of Indian banking. The next is commercial banking. So what does mean commercial banking? There's nothing but commercial banks provide service to individual business and government. Their main functions includes accepting deposit, providing loans, and offering various financial services. They are virtual for economic growth by mobilizing savings and providing credit. For example, SBI, HDFC Bank, and ICICI Bank. That is a commercial bank. So next we go to see about the functions of commercial bank. So what is the functions of commercial bank? It is nothing but accepting deposit, savings, current, and fixed deposit. It is accepting deposit, savings, currents, and fixed deposit. Providing loans and advances. For individual business and industries. The next is credit creation. Increasing money supply through lending. Agency functions. Fund transfers, bill payments, check collection. So agencies, what are the agencies? They are those who are sending the money transfer in the shop. They are the agencies. They are doing the work like fund transfers and bill payments and check collections. The other people who are the agency functions. There is general utility services. Lockers, currency exchange, internet banking. These are the general utility services. The next is commercial banking principles. What are the principles of commercial banking? Under that we have 5 points. The first is liquidity, profitability, safety, customer service, ethical conducting. Customer service and ethical conducting. So the liquidity is funds available for withdrawals. Profitability, earning profit while managing risk. The safety, protecting depositors' money. And customer service, fair, transparent, efficiency service. Ethical conduct, following legal and ethical standards. That's how the commercial banking under the 5 points. The next is role in economic development. What is the role in economic development? Banks mobilize savings and provide credit for productivity activities, financing agriculture, industry, trade, and infrastructure. They boost employment, income, support government policies, encourage entrepreneurship, and promote financial inclusions, contributions to overall economic growth and stability. It is a role